Good morning everybody. I am Bhop Singh Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous video I taught you how to write informal kind of invitations. And today I am going to teach you how to reply of such kind of invitations. I mean to say how to reply the informal kind of invitations. Dear students, there is no much difference between the structure of replies as well as in invitations. I mean to say there is no difference between the informal kind of invitation and their replies. When we write the replies of informal kind of invitation, we adopt the same structure, same pattern. And dear student, replies. Now the question arises, what's a reply? A reply to an invitation is written to the host in response to an invitation. It informs the host whether you are attending the occasion or not. And dear students, while writing the reply, you should be very courteous and polite in your language. If you want to attend the function, you should reply in positive way, and if you don't want to attend the function due to some reason, you should respond declining the invitation. Now we take an example for it. You are Manav, Manvi, you have been invited to attend the wedding of your friend's sister. Respond the invitation accepting it. Yes, dear students, you are Manav. Suppose you are Manav or Manvi. You have been invited to attend the wedding of your friend's sister, which is not given. The name of your friend's sister is not given, so you can assume. Respond the invitation accepting it. Yes, accepting it. So first of all, you will write informal reply. Informal reply, and then if you are accepting the invitation, you will write accepting invitation. You will add two phrases. First of all, you will write informal reply, and then you will write accepting invitation. Then you will write your own address. Dear student, the address is not given here, so you will assume the address. Suppose you are living in Mahendragarh at Railway Road, so you will write 54 Railway Road, Mahendragarh. Then leaving a line blank, you will mention the date. Suppose today is 19th July 2020. Then you will write dear friend, or you can write dear Ram. Yes, dear students, first of all you will mention informal reply, then you will write accepting invitation. It is accept. Accept. It is accept. You write accepting invitation. Then you will mention 54 Railway Road, Mahendragarh. Then leave a line and you will mention the date, and then you will write dear Ram. Yes. Dear Ram, then you will start. I am very thankful to you for inviting me on the occasion of your sister Neha's wedding. First of all, you will thank the host. It doesn't matter whether you are attending the function or not. First of all, you will thank the host. You will write, I am very thankful to you for inviting me on the occasion of your sister Neha's marriage. It is a great occasion for me and my family. I will surely come 2 days earlier. 2 days earlier. Don't hesitate to ask me for any kind of help on my part. Congratulations to all. Convey my regards to your parents. Then you will write the subscription, yours sincerely, and you will write your name, Manav. Yes, dear students, first of all, you will write dear Ram or dear Mohan. If it is not given in the question, you can assume the name of your friend. Then don't write any kind of punctuation mark. Then you will, in the first, you will thank your friend for inviting you. So you will write, I am very thankful to you for inviting me on the occasion of your sister Neha's wedding. It is a great occasion for me and my family. I will surely come 2 days earlier. Don't hesitate to ask any kind to ask me for any kind of help on my part. Congratulations to you all. Convey my regards to your parents. Then you will write yours sincerely. In such kind of letters, I mean to say in informal kind of replies, you will write yours sincerely. Not write your faithfully or yours truly. No. In such kind of invitations, we are lovingly attached to each other. So you will write yours sincerely and you will write your name here. And after writing all these, you will put it all inside a box. Dear student, this is how to write an invitation, how to write a reply of informal kind of invitations. You will follow the same pattern which you adopted writing an informal kind of invitation. First of all, you will write your own address, then you will mention the date, then you will address the host. If he is your friend, you will write dear friend, and then you will start the answer. I am very thankful. First of all, you will thank the host, and if you are in a mood to attend the function, then you will reply accepting the invitation, and if you are unable to attend the function due to some reasons, you will write declining the invitations. So, dear student, after writing all these, you will put it inside a box. So, this is something about writing informal replies of informal invitations. So, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.